Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people, to D Dawn Kitchen. Guess what, guys? D Dawn is in the kitchen to do what? Sweet potato pie from scratch. But before I begin, hi, if you are new here, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And to all my YouTuber, supporter, subscriber, follower, a very, very big, warm welcome to you all. Let's get started. Flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, that's optional, half teaspoon of salt, ice water, very cold ice water. I have some cube of ice in it, and 1 cup of shortening or butter. And you have to ensure the shortening is well cold. It's hard as a rock or solid as a rock. So this is for the crust. Let me get it. So it's 2 separate. So this over here for the crust, and this is for the filling. 3 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon ginger powder, 3 eggs, 1 cup, half and half. That's the milk, or you can use the heavy milk, you can use evaporated milk. 1.5 sweet potato, 1.5 pounds, half teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of almond flavor, and this is optional. I'm using some raisin. So here we will be sieving the flour. We add in the sugar and the salt. Just mix it up. That's the salt and the sugar, the shortening, and I just cut the shortening, and I will be adding the shortening to the flour. At this stage you can use a mixer, or you can use a finger. So my finger will be getting dirty now. So with clean hands, we're gonna begin. And what you will be doing, you're just gonna be playing in the flour. So after you incorporate the shortening or butter, whatever you're using, in the flour, it's looking like this. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of the ice cold water to it. And you're gonna knead it to become in a dough. We're gonna place a plastic wrap over. You're gonna wrap it very tight, and you're gonna place this in the refrigerator for at least an hour. It's best you can place it in the refrigerator overnight too. In the meantime, the dough for the crust is in the refrigerator. We will be working on the sweet potato for the filling. And you will be peeling the sweet potato. You begin at the top and the peel come all the way down. Two different skin, two different color sweet potato. So this is the red skin and this is the brown skin. So look at the color of this comparing to this one that I just peeled. So I chose to use a two different combination. After you finish peel the sweet potato, you're just gonna cut them. We're gonna place this on in the pot to boil. To the water, I'll be adding half a teaspoon of salt. You can add more salt if you so desire, but I just need half a teaspoon. And you're gonna place the sweet potato in the pot of boiling water. Be careful, you don't want to get burned, so just put it on a spoon and lower it in the pot of boiling water. And you're gonna let them boil until they are tender. Roughly it might take between 20 to 25 minutes to boil. Or when the fork, you insert the fork and it goes from one side to the next. So just relax and let them boil. Cover. And now we're gonna check in on the sweet potato to see if it's cooked. And as I told you, when you insert a fork, if the fork goes from one end to the other, then you know the sweet potato is cooked. Oh yes, this is cooked. You see the fork? Okay, so we're gonna remove it from the water. Definitely, it don't have to cool for you to crush it. And beautiful people, you're watching this video today and you like what you see, subscribe, like and share the video and leave a comment and hit that notification bell so when D-Don is doing a video, you will be the very first one to know. So now let us break on our eggs. Whisk until light and fluffy. Add 3 eggs. Add the cinnamon powder. Vanilla. Almond flavor. Ginger powder. Half teaspoon. I'm just gonna add 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can add more sugar if you need. You can add up to half a cup. Depends on your sweetness, how you want it. But I'm not a sugar person. I always like to cut back on the sugar. So this is a cornstarch. I want to put the raisin in. And set this aside. And 1 cup of milk. Remember, that's the half and half. You want to start out at a very, very low speed, but you don't want this thing to be splashing all over the place. So now guys, we're gonna roll the dough out, and I'm using the plastic wrap on top of the counter and also the wrap that the dough is wrapped in. And I just want to smooth it out. We're going to use some flour. Flour the dough. Flour your area. We're going to flour the rolling pin. And you're going to press lightly and firmly on the dough. And you want to measure to see if we roll enough with the pie dish. Yes, see, we have all around on the pie dish. So now you will be wrapping the dough lifting it up, just be careful, and rolling it on the rolling pin. Just like that. And now we're going to lift it on to the pie dish. Don't be afraid to play inside the dough. We just even it, press it down. Right. And we're going to lift the edge just like this, and we're just going to tuck it under. We're not cutting anything away. We're just tucking it under. And now you're just going to go ahead and you want to primp the edge. You just want to primp the edge, like if you want to do it, you can use this 2 finger. If you want to use your big finger, whatever. I grew up watching my mom making pie crust. Yes, that's something I always enjoy making. I don't like to buy. If I'm making potato pie, I just like to make my own crust. Because I've been doing this from I'm a little girl. So you print the edge, and the edges is looking like this. Ain't it looking beautiful, guys? And we're going to place it back in the refrigerator for 1 hour. So see you back, guys, in 1 hour time. Okay, beautiful people, it is 1 hour now since the sweet potato pie crust is in the refrigerator. And look at it, it's tough, solid as a rock. You see, it's solid. You can hear the sound. So it is time for us to pour the mixture in. And you want to ensure that your oven is preheated at 350 degrees. So we're gonna pour our mixture in. Don't worry, it's enough for the pie. We're not gonna have any left over. And this is the texture how you want your sweet potato pie to have. Not too runny and not too thick. And just scrape the bowl out. And we're gonna pop it in the oven for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So my oven is going off now, so it's time to pop this bad boy in. Placing it in the oven at 350 degrees, and it will bake for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So beautiful people, look at this. Our sweet potato pie is now ready for eating. Thanksgiving Day is in the here. So beautiful people, make your own sweet potato pie. And if you enjoyed this video today, D-Don makes sweet potato pie, please don't hesitate to subscribe. Subscribe so I can reach a wider audience, and share the video, like the video, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell. I thank you beautiful people for watching D-Don Kitchen. I already cut a slice, so I'm gonna pull it out from the inside now so you see how it is looking. Sweet potato pie. Look at this, and look at the crust on the outside. Looks so beautiful, ain't it, guys? Yeah, so give it a try. I know you will enjoy it. So I thank you again for watching, and please stay tuned, take care of yourself, and above all, please remember to take care of each other. One love, peace.